Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you to my kitties. This is actually Wren. She is not technically my cat. She's a foster. My sister brought her home, but I fell in love with her, but she was traumatized by other cats at her other foster home, and now she hates my current cat. So I can't keep her, but I am keeping her healthy and safe until she finds her forever home. I am also going to be building this window perch from Peyela, and by me building, I really mean Michael, and we're going to see if my kitties like it. Another kitty introduction. This is my cat Cleo. She is 3 years old. She is my beautiful little calico girl. Not much going on in her brain up there, but that's okay. We love her. Cleo. What are you doing? And here we have my beautiful little mackerel tabby. This is Roxy. She is 6. And we're back to Wren, my little foster. Also, these little toy mice came with the Peyela window perch as well, and Wren is obsessed with them. I'm gonna say it was a success. My kitties absolutely loved it. I catch them staring at the window all the time. Michael said it was very easy to put together, so I rate it honestly 9.5 out of 10, just because I wish the mesh was a little softer, but I could just honestly solve that by throwing a blanket over it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.